Namaskar from our channel, The Consultant's View. It was 3 decades ago I got an opportunity to work for a contractor firm in a petroleum refinery construction project. It was in Numaligarh, a scenically a beautiful area covered with tea plantation and undulated hilly topography in the state of Assam in India. There are different components in a petroleum refinery. I was assigned to assist my senior in construction of few units, out of which I would like to highlight hydrocracker unit in this video. A hydrocracker unit is a crucial part that uses nascent hydrogen of water to break down hydrocarbon molecules into lighter, more valuable products. The hydrocracker unit was an assembled equipment which was shipped from Europe, probably Germany. It was then decided by the project management unit, project engineers team, manufacturer and supplier, and client NRL that the equipment will be shipped as a single assembled unit. My work was simple and straightforward to build its foundation, which had 80 numbers bolts of 138 mm diameter. EIL was the project engineer of the project who had their own specification on bolts. Foundation was cast under EIL's supervision with zero tolerance in bolt alignment and positioning. The most remarkable activity was the shipment of the hydrocracker equipment to the site. It was height of about 35 meter, which was supposed to be carried in lying position. It was dispatched from Europe, took Mediterranean Sea route after North Atlantic, then crossed Suez Channel, shipped over Red Sea, Arabian Sea, Indian Ocean and Bay of Bengal. Up to this, it was fine. Then it was carried along river Meghna in Bangladesh, Brahmaputra in India, and lastly it took Dhanshiri river, which was one of the tributaries of Brahmaputra. Dhanshiri river was meandering in nature. The barge carrying the equipment was to negotiate the river meanders in Indian monsoon time only. The route and timing were planned accordingly. A temporary dock was constructed on river Dhanshiri near Numaligarh. An access road of adequate strength was built up for carrying the equipment from dock to the side location proposed for hydrocracker unit by placing it on a big carrier trailer chassis. The challenge is now. The topography of the such road alignment was such that adequate space was not available for maneuvering the radius of curvature for the carrier or the trailer, which was about 45 meter length. The project authority anticipated it earlier. The wheel arrangement of the chassis mounting the equipment was so innovated and designed, each wheel can rotate 360 degrees at its own vertical axis. When the equipment reached at the entry point, the trailer needed no turning radius. It just changed its configuration to 90 degrees to get entry into the premises and subsequently to the required location. It was then positioned by the crane to place on the foundation. It was relatively less challenging activity. This was the real innovation on planning and execution. It was perfectly synchronized. I believe it would be wise to highlight this innovative approach, which was conceptualized at that point of time when the jargon innovation was deprived of being marketed as today. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this technical session. Namaskar.